study English! Yay!
Low key. What is low key? Is that a key that's like down low? Where is it? No. Low key kind of means casual or simple, nothing too fancy. So we often use it with things like a party, a low-key party, a low-key gathering, a low-key meeting. Kind of means that it's not a super fancy party or get-together, but just something kind of simple. So, if you want to have a kind of a get-together, but you don't really want people to wear a suit or, think it's going to be a fancy party, then you can suggest, it's just a low-key event. Today's word is low-key. Thank you. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye.
スーザンと一緒に Let's study English! Yay!